Today we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin fēnix 7 series watch. First, we would recommend you fully charge the watch. Next, either unplug your watch or press and hold the light button on the top left to power on your watch. When you are ready, use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Then, press the Start/Stop button on the upper right to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select Yes to begin. If you already have the Garmin Connect app installed, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, you will now need to download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar on Android devices. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Connect app. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. For customers that are already signed into Garmin Connect and are using an Apple device, press More on the bottom right to open Settings. Android customers will select the menu icon in the top left. In the Settings menu, select Garmin Devices, followed by Add Device. For new or existing customers, select Connect It when the app recognizes your watch. Your fēnix 7 will now display a 6-digit code that you will need to enter into the Garmin Connect app when prompted. Then follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app setup, select Finish. The app will offer to guide you through enabling key features and services. You can choose to proceed with the app or dismiss. Now that your watch and phone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. As you first start using the watch, helpful tips will display, enabling you to learn more about the watch. Your fēnix 7 also includes a touchscreen that you can use to operate the watch. For example, you can tap on the screen to enable the backlight. Swiping up or down, you can scroll through pages. Tap an option to select it. Swiping right will take you back. Covering the screen with your palm will return you to the watch face and disable the backlight. To learn more about using your touchscreen, see the owner's manual at support.garmin.com. To get to your activity list, press the Start/Stop button. Scroll through the list and select the activities you would like to add to your favorites list by pressing the Start/Stop button. Once you have finished selecting activities, scroll down and select Done. Now your customized activity list is complete. To open an activity, press the Start/Stop button. Once GPS has been acquired on the watch, press the Start/Stop button to start the activity. And that's it! Your Garmin fēnix 7 is now set up. To learn more about your fēnix, please watch our other videos or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.